All right, let's look at the homework 1.1, problem number 3, right? So we want to find the domain of this given function here, right? So let's do that. All right, so since this is a fraction form, so we look at the denominator, and we have to make sure that the denominator is non-zero. So let's do that. So in this case, denominator is x squared plus 3x minus 10. So we want this guy to be non-zero, right? Luckily, I think we can factor this guy out. So this is going to be x plus 5 times x minus 2, right? So we don't want this to be 0, right? So looks like when x equals negative 5, this whole thing becomes 0. So we don't want x cannot be equal to negative 5 or positive 2. Right? So in order to write all real numbers except for these two numbers, negative 5 and 2, in interval notation, so we're going to have, so maybe I draw a number line just to explain. So let's say you have a negative 5 here, all right, and then you're going to have 2 here, right? And we need to eliminate those guys. So we know that we have to exclude that guy and exclude that guy. So we are talking about just those guys in between, right? So the interval wise, we should write it as, so here from negative infinity all the way to negative 5. Right, since we don't want to include negative 5, we use a parenthesis, right? Then union with, right? So between negative 5 and positive 2, so negative 5 and 2, and take the union with 2 to all the way to infinity, right? Since we do not want to include negative 5 and positive 2, we make sure to use the parentheses, right? Parentheses, right? So let's type it in, right? So the interval is going to be negative infinity. Oops, sorry. Negative infinity to negative 5. Then union, I think it's going to be set, so it's going to be union negative 5 to positive 2, and take union again to positive infinity. So symbol that. All right, so let's go down and check. All right, so submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.